Oh no. Today we are finally talking about Velcro. But what is Velcro? Well, Wikipedia says that Swiss electrical engineer George de Mestral invented his first touch fastener when in 1941 he went for a walk in the woods and wondered why burdock seeds clung to his coat and his dog. He discovered it could be turned into something useful. He patented it in 1955 and subsequently refined and developed its practical manufacture until its commercial introduction in the late 1950s. Well, I guess I'm getting too deep into this topic. Next, Velcro. Velcro. Can we get some representation for Velcro? Yes. Yes, I like Velcro. No, you don't. Yes, I do. Did you know that there has been 15 deaths related to or caused by Velcro? What do you have to say for yourself? What if I told you that didn't matter? Velcro, man. It doesn't matter if people die. Velcro! You have anything to say for yourself? I regret nothing. Huh. Very convincing argument. Anyway, I hope you like my video. Haha, that was funny.